Okay, I brought Chloe up to the duck pond. Chloe and my cousin Cheyenne. Yay! Yep, you gotta push. There we go. Here's the ducks. Yeah, Chloe likes to go after them. You can turn her loose now. There's the duck pond. All the duckies. Oh, thanks.
Something's in my foot.
It's poop. She runs right over there.
No dog peeing.
It's duck poop. Ew. Check it out. Let me see if I can get all the geese. Clear on the other side of the duck pond.
Oh,
it's kind of cold up here.
So
come on, Chloe.
Baby egg.
Bunch of kids at the park. Or at the park. Hurry! You better run. Just a day or an evening. I mean, at the duck pond. This is usually what I try to do with Chloe every single day to get her plenty of exercise. And I'm using my new camera. It's the Sony Handycam 70x zoom. I think it's like the DCR SX45 or something like that. But there's Chloe. She's my baby. And there's the beautiful waterfall thingy. And there's myself. Yeah. Did you just get crap on your foot?
No.
Oh, whoa.
One of my shoes.
Okay, there's like holes everywhere and the water's really dirty. Run, honey! And she just had surgery on her leg.
So that's why it's hairy.
Back legs.
Well,
yeah, that's why.
Hairless.
Yeah, she don't have any hair right there if you can see it. Oh. Racing! Oh, whoa, I like zoomed up on your... I didn't mean to. It was an accident. We have to edit it anyway.
We'll cut that part off.
Yeah, perfect. Right, she barely goes. Oh no. Oh no. Look at all the geese. She sees them. We gotta get this.
Go, Chloe, go. Get him, Chloe. Get him, Chloe.
There she goes. Check this out, guys.
She's not gonna make it. Oh, yes, she is. Oh, yes, she is.
Chloe, I'm gonna stop so I can get it. Easy, Chloe. Don't hurt any geese. And no animals were harmed in the making of this before anybody starts bitching. Oh my god, your dog's chasing the geese. She just likes to chase them for fun.
She likes, oh no, she's gonna use it. Better cut this part off. Can a dog use a bathroom without it being on the internet?
There's a pretty willow tree in the middle. Well, to the
Oh,
side.
look at that one.
Hey, there's my car. Duckies! Chloe, don't go in the water. One time she actually did run and dive into the water after the ducks. I wish I'd had my camera then. I had to like save her.
And now she knows not to get in the water.